Diversity and unity, embracing our differences. Hello everyone, and welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're diving into an inspiring and profound topic: diversity and unity. This phrase is not just a collection of words but a principle that holds significant value in societies around the world. Let's explore what it means and why it's so important for us to understand and embody this concept. Diversity and unity is a phrase that encapsulates the idea that individuals from diverse backgrounds, cultures, beliefs, and perspectives can come together to form a unified, harmonious community. It suggests that our differences do not divide us. Instead, they make our collective experiences richer and more meaningful. Key points. Diversity refers to the variety of unique attributes and experiences individuals bring to a group. Unity means coming together as a whole, creating a sense of belonging and cooperation among different members. Embracing diversity within unity is crucial for fostering inclusive societies where everyone feels valued and respected. This concept encourages us to look beyond our differences and focus on what we can achieve when we work together, highlighting the strength found in our collective diversity. Why it matters: promotes inclusivity and respect for all individuals, encourages collaboration and innovation by bringing together various perspectives, helps in overcoming prejudices and building stronger, more resilient communities. Throughout history and across cultures, we've seen powerful examples of diversity and unity. From multinational organizations that bring together employees from various countries to work towards a common goal, to local communities celebrating multicultural festivals, these examples show how embracing diversity can lead to greater unity and progress. Real-world impact. Successful teams and organizations often attribute their achievements to the diverse skills and perspectives of their members. Societies that celebrate diversity are generally more peaceful, prosperous, and innovative. Promoting diversity and unity starts with each of us. By educating ourselves about other cultures, engaging in open dialogues, and practicing empathy and respect, we can contribute to a more unified and diverse world. Steps to take. Encourage and participate in cross-cultural exchanges. Stand against discrimination and advocate for equality and fairness. Celebrate the diverse backgrounds and stories within your own community. Thank you for joining us as we explored the meaningful concept of diversity and unity. Remember, it's our shared responsibility to nurture an environment where everyone can thrive together, despite and because of our differences. We hope this video inspires you to appreciate and contribute to the diversity around you, fostering unity in every walk of life. See you in our next video, and keep learning and growing together.